Patrick here, editor at Carolinas Today, bringing you the Alpina LEDClaw and the LED QuadFire. We're going to show you what it takes to get you from this to this. There's going to be some breaks in the video, but we'll go ahead and walk you through it. Alright, first of all, what we're going to do, since the LEDClaw is designed for 2 1/4 and 3-inch bars, and the bar I have here from Go Industries Inc. is 1.91. So what I'm going to do is build up the space just a little bit. You get 2 of these rubber flap things in here. What I've done is actually split it down the middle and then secured it to the bar itself. Just used a little bit of black electrical tape just to keep it in place. That's where I want to mount it at. And then the actual claw mount has got these molded rubber pieces that will grip that. And it's got a threaded bolt hole here that you can place the mount on for your light, and this is much easier to do with it off the vehicle. It does come with a hex key screw for mounting that, so we'll cut here and go to that point. Now this mount, as you can see, squared off, can go in a multitude of positions depending on how you want to mount it yourself. I myself prefer to have the shiny bolt or the stainless steel bolt on the bottom, and then have the finished look up top. Now, here's the bolts that come on the QuadFire. What I'm going to be doing is placing this type of lock washer between the mount, the light mount, and the bracket that's on the light to prevent it from twisting. I found that this does add a bit of stability to it and makes it to where you don't have a little kid looking at it in the parking lot and grabbing it and twisting it off to you know where. Now, as you can see, I've got the star nut in there. Everything tightens down with a 13mm wrench. Everything's good and tight. Alright, now here's the completed install. You can see everything's got a nice clean look up top, nice clean look on the sides. Got it really nice and snug up here to the upright on the Go Industries Big Tex grill guard. And here's the hex key bolt that's there. And couldn't tell you what size the nut is on the back. I just grabbed a pair of channel locks and put it to it, because you really don't have a lot of access up in the top side of that to get a wrench on it. There's a really nice clean looking install. That way you don't have to compromise the integrity on the bar itself. Now, the Big Tex grill guard does come with light mount tabs if you wanted to go that route, and they recommend sealing them with silicone to close the bar off to prevent water from getting inside. But as an alternative to that, you can use the Alpina LEDClaw light mounts, and they got a real nice finish on them. And as far as the wiring goes, it's a very simple 2-wire hookup, negative and positive, and I would recommend hooking them to a switch and a fuse and going that route with them. That way you can control them with or without the headlights and with or without the key on, but that's all up to you because it is a custom job and it's something that you're going to eventually figure out how you want it yourself. Anyway, this is Patrick with Carolinas Today, signing out.